Yeah, YouTube. Finna make this thing great again. Has 26,000 miles on there. Not bad. Paint peeling. We're gonna take care of that. Got a little fender bender over here. Good, the frame ain't bit at all. Frame right there. Push this out. Throw another fender on there. Another bumper cover on there, and a light. Pop-up light like this. Then we're gonna clean this thing back up, throw some paint on it. It's original Florida car. I guess the young kid was texting and ran into some shit. Good. It's just that side right there. See that? Besides that,